Hi guys, many people asking me on how to take that Highkey photography with mobile phone. Few days before or recently I posted a Highkey photography with the rule of thirds. People asked me many times how to take this on comments and in personal DM also. Uh, but people do edit some pictures like Highkey photography with Snapseed or some editing apps, but there is no need to edit. There is a camera settings for this Highkey photography, and basically Highkey photography is a type of photography, is one of the genres of photography which can be taken with the help of a camera settings itself. I don't know why those people edit. So what do we need is just a camera with manual settings and some daylight. For this, like this, it should be a day. Wait a second, should be that bright, I think so. Yes, it should be that much bright. So we need some daylight for that Highkey photography. Now we can search for a crow or some birds like that. And after all, the main difference between Highkey photography and the silhouette photography is, in silhouette photography the light source will be in the back like this, but in Highkey photography the light source can be in any direction. And in Highkey photography it's better to have a blank area or empty area so that the picture will be somewhat smoother. Suppose if there is any building on the roads while we are capturing Highkey photography, that may give the unpleasant feeling for the image. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned.